Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So someone was selling this and I thought I should buy it. Let's put this here. Yeah. And this is actually unsealed already. The box is not in very good condition. I'm not sure if the truck inside is in good condition or not. I'll just open it and I'll check. So this is here. Let's put this here. Yeah, it's like this. Okay, something came out. I don't know how. Only this. Side mirror. The guy said it's not damaged, but looks like it is. You can see it is. Looks damaged to me. I'm not sure. You guys tell me if this is damaged or not. Let's put this here and let's open this. So this is all damaged actually. He did not tell me that, and I do not see the mirror for the other side. Only one came out, only this one. Okay, let's see how the truck is. This is heavy. This does have some weight to it. This is damaged. You can see this is damaged here. Okay, so this guy actually scammed me. He didn't tell me that it is damaged and everything. This is just fine. Comes out well. It doesn't go below this. Instead, you need to do it like this, I think. Yeah. Goes like this, I think. It goes this much only. Yeah, it goes more actually. Yeah. So it doesn't touch the ground well. Oh, there is another one. There's one this and there's one this. These are like two different. I'll just put them here on side. There's quite a mechanism here. Wheels look fine, body is metal, base is metal. Okay, let's put this back. I don't know if this goes more out or not. It doesn't look like it. It will come out more than this. How you are going to put the car if it does not go like this? I don't know. The wheels look fine, the color is fine. The headlights detail are there. There is no tail light on it. There's a spare wheel, double wheels here, single here. This is your compressed air chamber. So as far as all the mechanism and everything is, it goes fine, right? This is good, this is good, and this is also good, I think. And then this, but this is very bad, like it does not go down, then this doesn't touch well. And second worst thing is that this is damaged, this grill. I'll just paste these, that is fine. But the worst thing is that this is damaged. So it will carry the car like this, I guess. I don't know if it fits well or not. I don't know. I don't know for which car they have created it. Nothing fits well. I don't know for which car they have created it, man. This is so disappointing. This is like one of the worst trucks I ever found. Whatever, what? You can just put it here like this and it will look like shit. It's fine. Quite a disappointing purchase, not buying unsealed car next time from just any random person. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.